How to delete your passwords on Google Manager. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can delete your passwords on Google Manager. Now whether you want to delete it from your desktop if you're using Chrome or you want to do it on your phone, the process is actually pretty simple and similar as well. Now to do so, you'll have to access the settings of Chrome or the particular Google. So you want to open up, right? So let me tap on the three dots at the top right here and head into settings. So you want to basically head into settings. Under settings, you should be able to find the option here that's a Google Password Manager. You want to tap on it. And once you tap on it, you'll be able to see the password saved. So if you tap on it here, you'll be able to view your password, right? So once you simply tap on it, it'll ask you to enter in your fingerprint or password. Then you can find the delete option, tap on delete, and you'll be able to delete it. So this is how you can easily delete your passwords from Google Password Manager. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.